Here's how I can make this neon text effect here in Photoshop. I'm gonna go with this artboard size, paint the background black. In your case, if you wanna type in something, you can select the type tool, type in whatever you want, press Ctrl T, press and hold Shift plus Alt, scale it up. And for the font, I went with the Selfie. This is a free font you can download from Adobe Fonts. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and I'm gonna adjust the kerning. After you're done with the text, make sure to right click on the text layer and convert it to Smart Object. In my situation, I'm just gonna go with this graphic that I created in Illustrator. And from here, let's go to the filter, blur, and select Gaussian blur. And the first one, I'm gonna go with 300, click OK. And let's go and change it to linear light. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, double click on the Gaussian blur filter here, and I'm gonna decrease it to 200. Like that, click OK, press Ctrl J again, double click on the Gaussian blur again, and I'm gonna decrease it to 100 this time. Click OK, press Ctrl J, double click, I'm gonna go with 50, 48, click OK, Ctrl J, and this way I'm just gonna scale it down all the way. For example, I'm gonna go here with 10, click OK, press Ctrl J again, and I'm gonna go here to this little circles, drag and drop into the bin. This one is going to be sharp. And now we're going to go to the top layer without any effect. Double click on it, open up the layer styles. I'm going to go to inner shadow. With the opacity, I went with 80. The color is on white. Blend mode is on normal. The angle is 90. You also can modify it a little bit more. A distance 857. Also make sure to check the inner glow. Here the blend mode is on overlay. Opacity is on 100. I went with the color white. And the choke is pretty high, also the size is pretty low. Now, but at least we're gonna check the drop shadow. It's on multiply, overlay is quite low. And I went with some reddish color, some darker red. Click OK. And the distance is 30, spread is 0, and the size is on 100. Also, I'm gonna change the contour to straight. Click OK. And I'm gonna press Ctrl J to duplicate, and I'm gonna drag and drop the drop shadow into the bin. I'm also going to do the same thing with the inner shadow, drag and drop into the bin, and double click here on the glow. The settings should be pretty much the same, and we're going to do another thing. We got the outer glow, check the outer glow, and here I'm going to change up the color with some cyan in my situation. Click OK, and I'm going to put it on overlay. Opacity is 30. I'm going to increase the spread somewhere around 14, the size a little bit high, somewhere around 24. And pretty much this is it. Click OK. And we're going to change up the blend modes. So I'm going to go and change it to lighter color. And pretty much this is how it looks. I also going to add some grain on it. I'm going to press and hold Alt. Let's go to the little plus where we create a new layer. Click on it. This window is going to pop up. Rename it to noise. I'm going to change up the mode to overlay. Make sure to check the fill with overlay neutral color. Click OK. Right click on the noise layer. Convert to smart object. And let's go to the filter. Noise, add noise. And here make sure to uncheck the monochrome, and I'm going to decrease it to 18, click OK. And that's how I make this really nice looking neon effect here in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.